Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel CMAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn yet another question from not-for-profit organization. We are going to solve this illustration number 2. So here balance sheet as on 31st 3 2017, as in the opening balance sheet is given to you. Receipts and payments account is provided for the year ended 31st 3 2018. One significant change that you have to note here is two subscriptions. In the previous problem that we have learned, there only one amount was given which was directly written in the outer column which related to the current year. Here they have bifurcated the amounts into current year and next year's. So 2017-18 is the current year subscription 45,000. 2018-19 is the next year's subscription received in advance. So this amount of 2018-19 which is given only in the receipts and payments account will go to the balance sheet liability side. Since it is an income received in advance, we will be writing it in the liability side. Rest of the things are the same. Then office expenses also, here last year's office expenses is given 2016-17 5,000, so we have nothing to do with that. 2017-18 current year's office expense is given, so we are considering only this amount 17,000. When they themselves have given you the classified amount of last year, current year and the next year, consider the current year first. So we will consider only the 17,000 which is the current year amount. Rest, moving to the adjustments. Subscriptions outstanding rupees 5,000 is a current year subscription. We will add it to the current year subscriptions. Salary prepaid 2,500. You deduct it from the salary here from 25,000. While we prepare the income and expenditure account, we are deducting it, the prepaid salary amount. Then we will also write in the asset side since it is an adjustment item to be recorded twice. Third is capitalize 50% of the entrance fees, which means 50% of the entrance fees will be written in income and expenditure account. Remaining 50% will be written in the balance sheet, added to the capital fund in the liabilities side. And 100% of donations. So all donations, the total amount of donations is 12,000. So entire amount of 12,000 is to be capitalized, which means it will be going to the balance sheet, added to the capital fund in the liabilities side. Depreciate buildings by 10% per annum. As you know, depreciation we write in the expenditure side to depreciation. Buildings, the amount of buildings here is 70,000. So upon 70,000 we calculate 10% and write depreciation. And when you prepare the balance sheet, deduct the depreciation from the amount of buildings. So we'll begin with the problem now. Format: income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Look at the payment side. So we will be recording it in the expenditure side. 2. Office expenses. I told you we are going to consider only the current year amount, and that is 17,000. There is no outstanding given in the adjustment, so I am writing it directly. Next comes printing and postage expenses. 2. Printing and postage expenses. There is no adjustment, so amount 600 to the outer column. Salary. 2. Salary. We have prepaid salary in the adjustments. So salary is 25,000, right in the inner column since we have the adjustment. Less prepaid salary. If you have paid any salary in advance, you have to deduct the amount, that is minus prepaid salary amount 2,500. So it is 22,500. 25,000 minus 2,500. Next, purchase of books. You check in the opening balance sheet whether there is any books. So if you see in the asset side, there is library books. Okay, 30,000 library books is there, which means this purchase of books will be an additional purchase of an asset, not an expenditure. So we will add it to the library books when we record it in the asset side. Balance sheet we are not going to write. Check in the balance sheet if you have any bank loan. So here we have bank loan of 35,000 and we have repaid the bank loan 5,000. So we will write it under the balance sheet, not under income and expenditure account. Bank loan 35,000 minus bank loan repaid 5,000 goes to the balance sheet, not in the income and expenditure account. Next comes subscriptions to newspapers. Subscriptions to newspapers 600. So that's it from the receipts and payment account. Now checking the adjustment. First adjustment is subscriptions outstanding rupees 5,000. That will go to the income side from the receipts. Salary prepaid we have recorded. Capitalized 50% of entrance fees and 100% of donations will be recorded in the income side. Depreciate buildings by 10%. We have to record it here. To depreciation on buildings. And what is the amount of the buildings here? Given in the asset opening balance sheet 70,000. So 70,000 into 10%, which is 10 divided by 100 is 7,000. So we have finished with the expenditure side. We will move on to the income side. So on the income side, the first thing that I have to record is subscriptions. By subscriptions. Check in the receipts column and record all the income items. Subscriptions only of the current year. So I am taking 2017-18. 17-18 amount given is 45,000. Outstanding subscription being 5,000, which is given in the adjustments. Outstanding subscriptions. All the items that is given in the adjustments are to be recorded twice. That is why let me put a star mark on all of the adjustment items. One is prepaid salary. Another one was depreciation, outstanding subscriptions. Now 45,000 plus 5,000, 50,000 to the outer column. Then entrance fees. For entrance fees, it is told capitalize 50% of the entrance fees, which means the remaining 50% will be written here in the income column. Entrance fees. And the amount of entrance fees given is 8,000 into 50%. So half of 8,000 will be 4,000. Again a star mark to this because we have to record it again in the balance sheet liability side added to the capital fund. Donations, entire donations are to be capitalized, so we are not recording it here. Then comes interest. Interest given as 5,000. So that is it. Balance the account and find out whether it is a surplus or deficit. So we get the income side is greater. 54 plus 559,000. Income side is greater. So when you calculate, you will get surplus to surplus, which is the balancing figure. That is 11,300. Now, balance sheet preparation. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. The format. Now, we shall finish with the liabilities. First, we'll finish up with the capital fund. So, first I will write capital fund. The opening balance which is given in the opening balance sheet 1,20,000. What are the things I have to add to it? Add entrance fees, where only 50% was recorded in the income and expenditure account. The remaining 50% will be recorded here. That is 8,000 into 50%. The remaining 4,000 was recorded in the income and expenditure account. Donations, entire donations are to be capitalized. 100% of the donations are to be capitalized. So amount of donations is 12,000. And then I have to add the surplus which we got from the income and expenditure account. And the surplus was 11,300. So total of capital fund will be 1,47,300. Yes. Then I have bank loan. So bank loan given in the opening balance sheet is 35,000, and in the payment side it is given bank loan repaid. So I am going to deduct the bank loan repaid, which is 5,000. So now the bank loan remains 30,000. Apart from this, if we have any income received in advance, so in the balance sheet they have given next year's subscriptions received in advance, 2018-19, 5,000 rupees subscriptions received in advance. Any income received in advance is a liability. $5,000. So that's it for the liability side. Asset side, let me record cash in hand. The balance carried down answer given in the receipts and payment account, not the balance brought down. Do not record the cash in hand of the last year. The balance carried down answer, which is 26,800. And then we'll look at the opening balance sheet and go on writing the other assets. Furniture, we do not have any depreciation, neither any additional purchase, so as it is 25,000. Buildings, we do have depreciations under buildings, so buildings 70,000. Deduct minus depreciation on buildings, which is calculated in the income and expenditure account, 10% on 70,000, 7,000. 63,000 to the outer column. Sports materials, no depreciation, no additional purchase, so as it is 20,000 to the outer column. Library books, we have additional purchase for library books, which is given in the payment side, in the receipts and payment account. So add additional purchase of books, 10,000. So total library books comes up to 40,000. Apart from this, the salary prepaid, any expense paid in advance, salary prepaid is considered as an asset, 2,500. And then we have outstanding subscriptions of the current year. So outstanding subscriptions, these items were given in the adjustment, 5,000. So everything is recorded now. Calculate both the side and check whether it gets tallied. So 1,82,300. 1,82,300. So here your balance sheet is tallied. That was it for today's class. Thank you for watching.